Can you transfer money from Acorns to a bank? Introduction. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to transfer money from Acorns to a bank. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. What is Acorns? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Acorns is. Acorns is an app that helps you save money automatically. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference in a diversified portfolio of stocks and ETFs. Why would you want to transfer money from Acorns to a bank? There are a few reasons why you might want to transfer money from Acorns to a bank. You need the money for a specific purpose. Maybe you're saving up for a down payment on a house or a new car. You want to consolidate your finances. If you have a lot of different accounts, it can be difficult to keep track of everything. Transferring your money to a bank can help you simplify your finances. You're not happy with Acorns. Maybe you're not happy with the performance of your Acorns portfolio, or maybe you're just looking for a different investment platform. How to transfer money from Acorns to a bank? There are two ways to transfer money from Acorns to a bank. Withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money from Acorns at any time. Simply go to the Withdraw tab in the app and enter the amount you want to withdraw. The money will be transferred to your linked bank account within a few days. Transfer your money to another account. You can also transfer your money to another account, such as a brokerage account or a retirement account. To do this, go to the Transfer tab in the app and enter the account number and routing number of the account you want to transfer your money to. Here are some additional tips for transferring money from Acorns to a bank. Be sure to enter the correct account number and routing number. If you enter the wrong information, your money will not be transferred. Allow a few days for the transfer to process. It can take up to 5 business days for the money to be transferred to your bank account. There may be fees associated with transferring money from Acorns. Be sure to check with Acorns for their fees before transferring your money. Conclusion. Transferring money from Acorns to a bank is a simple process. However, it is important to be sure to enter the correct account number and routing number and to allow a few days for the transfer to process. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Additional tips. If you're not sure how to find your account number and routing number, you can contact your bank. You can also transfer money from Acorns to your PayPal account. If you want to transfer a large amount of money, it may be best to contact Acorns customer support. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.